In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to Make.com. By the end, you'll have a working connection so you can automate updates to your spreadsheet with confidence. Start by opening Make in your browser and head to the Scenarios area. This is where all your automations live. Click Create Scenario to open a fresh canvas. On the canvas, click the big plus icon and search for Google Sheets. When the Google Sheets app appears, select it, then choose the module that matches what you want to do, such as adding a row, updating a row, or getting a cell. Don't worry if you're not sure yet, you can change the module later. Because this is your first time connecting Sheets, click Add Google Connection. A window will prompt you to sign in with Google. Choose Sign in with Google, select the account you want to connect, review the permissions. Make needs to manage your spreadsheets on your behalf, and then click Continue to Approve. If you see another confirmation screen, click Continue again. You'll be returned to Make with your new connection selected. Now configure the module so Make can find the right file. First, choose your search method. Either browse and select from a list or search by name, depending on what's available to you and how you prefer to locate files. Next, pick the drive that holds your spreadsheet. If your spreadsheet lives in a shared drive, switch the drive selector accordingly and make sure you have access there. Select the spreadsheet name from the drop-down, then choose the specific sheet, which is the tab inside the file. If the module you picked requires a row number, commonly needed for updates or lookups, enter that here. Tell Make whether the table contains headers. If your first row has labels like name, email, or status, choose Yes. Then decide whether to use column headers as IDs. Selecting Yes makes your field mapping clearer and reduces mistakes because you'll map by header name rather than column letters. Next, add the values in columns. This is where you map the data that should go into each column. You can type static text, pull in variables from earlier modules, or mix both. Take a moment to double check each field so your data lands exactly where you expect. When everything looks right, click Save to commit your configuration. Finally, click Run once and save. This triggers a test run so you can verify the connection and see the result in your Google Sheet. If the run succeeds, you're connected and ready to build out the rest of your workflow using Google Sheets and Make.